So 2003 is nearly here, and what I want to do in this video is show you a really cool way that you can make money online in 2023. Now these are some of the live results on the screen you can see right now. Now this method does work and people are making money every single day with this particular method. What I want to do in this video is take you through this step by step so we don't miss any steps and show you how to do everything step by step. And the best part about this method is you can actually go and start doing this for free. That's right, you can go and make money online in 2023 for absolutely completely free. You won't have to spend any money starting this particular method. Now, what can you expect from this tutorial? I'm going to show you exactly how this works, how to get started, how to get the tools needed to actually do this. And we're going to learn all of this in around about 10 minutes because I like to keep my tutorials very short, but give you all of the information that you need. So let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online in 2023. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button and tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Let's jump into this tutorial and get started and I'll show you how you can start making money. All right guys, so every single day there's millions and millions and millions of people on YouTube watching videos. And what we can actually do is we can take a little piece of the pie and we can actually go and make money using other people's videos. And we can do this all for free without spending any money. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. But YouTube is crazy. It's growing at an insane rate. I watch YouTube way more than I watch anything else nowadays. This video is getting millions of views within a few hours of being uploaded to YouTube. So I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and make money yourself by using other people's actual videos, and you don't have to go and create your own content, and it's really easy to do. So the first step you want to do is you want to go to a website called shrinkme.io, and we will talk about how you can sign up to this in a second. But what I want to do first is I want to show you some payment proof so you can actually see that people are making money with this particular website. These are actually the real dates right now. So 7th of the 12th, 7th of the 12th, 6th of the 12th, and these are people that have been getting paid every single day via PayPal, Payeer, and a few other actual payment systems that you can use. But the most common one is going to be PayPal that most people have watching this specific tutorial. So you can go and link your PayPal and get paid into your PayPal account. Now, if we actually go back here and we go to payout rates, you can actually see what type of rates you're expected to get paid per country. And I'll explain to you exactly how all of this works in a second as we go throughout this particular training. But you also get a $1 sign up bonus, a minimum payout of $5, which is really good. But these are the payouts that you can potentially get from this method. Greenland is the highest, and then Ireland, and then United States. Actually pretty surprised. I thought United States would have been at the top. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and sign up. Now, I've already done this. I've signed up a test account for this particular video, but you want to go and sign up an account. There'll be a sign up button at the top. This is going to be your dashboard. And on this dashboard, it's going to go show all the information that you need. Like for example, they just did an announcement where they have actually increased the CPM in India, Mexico, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, and the United States. And then what you can do is on the side here, you have all of the information that you need, like manage links. So you can just go find all of your links here. And then withdrawal, so you can withdraw your particular money that you've made. I already have $1 because I got a sign up bonus for starting this free account, our test account that we're going to be using. And you can simply withdraw by clicking withdraw. You can go ahead and choose your withdrawal method. You can do PayPal or any of these other ways, even Litecoin, which is pretty cool, or a bank's transfer. So these are the ways you can go ahead and get paid online with this particular system. So what I want to do right now is show you how you can make money with this website right here. And I'll show you exactly how to do this step by step. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the easiest way right now. And then I'm going to show you another way where you can actually make more money by using a thing called trends. And I'll show you exactly how that works in a second. So what we want to do is I'm going to go and head over to Google right now, and I'm going to quickly just put in something like New World Guides. This is a game that I play. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click on a particular guide. Now you want to go and find a guide that has lots of views. The reason is because people are actually viewing that specific guide and they have an interest in that guide. Now that's pretty much common sense, but you want to go ahead and make sure you find a video that has lots of views. And there's actually one of my videos right there that just popped up, which is crazy. So anyway, let's go to this one here, New World, how to level up fast. We can click on this video. And what we want to do is we want to go to share this video and we want to copy this link. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go back to here and we're going to, back to this one, and we're going to go to manage links, and we're going to go to new shorten link, and we're going to go ahead and post in the link right here, and then we're going to go shorten. Now what this is going to do is it's actually going to shorten the link, and we can now go ahead and use this particular link to go ahead and get people to click on this link, and we will get paid for every single click. Now, like I showed you, you actually get paid per 1,000 clicks. So for Greenland, you would get $22 for every 1,000 clicks. Now we're going to go and copy this particular link. And you might be thinking to yourself, where do I go and put this link so I can make money? I will show you two of the easiest places, and then I'm going to show you the best way to make even more money with this particular method, because there is another strategy to get more clicks, more views, and to make more money. Now, the reason I chose New World is because you can see that there's a lot of people searching New World on Reddit. And one of the reasons is because right now they've had big updates and things like that, and the game is coming along real nicely, so it's bringing back more players. Now, as you can see, these 7 days ago, 1 month ago, 2 months ago, but these have 188 upvotes, 498 upvotes, and these are guides on the New World Reddit. As you can see, 7 days ago, 7 days ago as well. What you want to do is, because that video that you went ahead and found is a video on how to level up fast in New World, you want to go to Reddit and you want to go and create a post in the Reddit subreddit, or even in gaming in general, and you want to post a guide that is how to level up fast in New World. Now, don't just go ahead and post the link that you got, right? Don't just go and do that. You need to actually put in some detail, do a few paragraphs explaining to people how they can level up fast, and then link the link and say, hey, if you want more information, check out this video that I found. Now, you're going to be getting paid per click on that link. You're not taking any money away from the video itself. Whenever someone clicks on that link, you are going to get paid as per 1,000 views. So if you send 1,000 views, you go back to the thing here that I showed you, the stats page from before, and it'll tell you how much you're going to roughly get. Now, Reddit is not the only place that you can actually do this. You can go to a website called Cura.com, and you see I put in Lost Ark tutorial. Now, Lost Ark is a completely different game, but it's another popular MMO game. And as you can see, they have tutorials as well. So what you can do is you can go ahead and you can post these tutorials and these video links and get people to click on them to make money online. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you a better method to actually do this. So you want to go over to Google Trends, and you want to find games that are trending right now. Now, for example, Warzone 2 is trending. It just got released. A lot of hype around this right now. And what you can actually do is there is a really simple way to go and find the great content to use. And one of the best content guides out there for Warzone is the best loadouts. Everybody's looking for the best loadout. So what you can do is you can go into YouTube and go Warzone 2 best loadouts. You can go and choose one of these videos, for example, and then you can go and copy that link. Now, the reason you want to do trending content is simple, because there's so many people searching for it right now, and you're going to get an insane amount of clicks. This is the best way to get clicks, is by going and actually finding that trending content online. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you exactly how you can do this. Once you get the video and you have kind of got that link as the middleman, go onto Reddit, Cura, and even other websites, and you can go and post this content, but make sure you put in an in-depth guide. Don't just go and post it. But for example, if you go to Reddit, you go to the Warzone section and you post about the, I don't know, for example, what do we have here? We have the 5 top metas. If you go and post something in Reddit about the 5 top metas in the Reddit Call of Duty subreddit, you could potentially get views onto that link, as long as you put a bunch of information. So maybe list the 5 guns, and then go, if you want any more information, check out this video. All right, guys, that's a quick way you can go make a little bit of money online via watching videos and the links. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.